So, after a certain age, a health shot sounds a little bit better than alcohol. Feel like you're starting the day right versus 3-day hangover if you're over 30. Today, I'm going to show you how I easily make mine without a juicer in half the amount of time. So let's jump right into it. This video is more about the preparation steps without a juicer. I'm going to put a variety of different shot recipes on the website with their health benefits, which you can find up here or below in the description. For the example recipe, I'm going to make my favorite shot. First, you'll need a blender or food processor. The small one I use easily makes enough for the entire week. If you choose to scale the recipe to make more than 7 shots, use something bigger. Add right into whatever you're using 2 small oranges, the juice of 2 lemons, use that grip strength, 2 ounces of water, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 ounces of optionally peeled and washed turmeric, if you don't have access to fresh turmeric, you can use 2 tablespoons of dried, with a teaspoon of black pepper, and 8 ounces of optionally peeled and washed ginger. Yes, peeling both your turmeric and ginger is completely optional. I'll either lightly peel mine or not peel it at all, depending on how much I'm making. Blend or process those until smooth. It'll end up pretty thick, especially if you didn't peel your turmeric or ginger. This next step is where it gets interesting. You'll need a bowl or something large enough to put one of these strainer bags into. I use this measuring cup, which makes it easy to distribute after it's strained. Pour the entire contents of your blender or food processor into the strainer bag and use that grip strength again to squeeze it until there's no liquid left. You should be left with something that looks like a cat hairball. Is that TMI?
Yes!
Toss a homemade hairball and clean your bag. There's a 99.9% chance your bag will stain like this, so don't stress out about that. Just dedicate one of your bags to making your shot. Alternatively, you could use a strainer basket or even a French press. Both will take significantly longer. From here, you can bottle the entire recipe or use something like these single-serving shot glasses. This whole process takes maybe 1 to 2 minutes, which is definitely faster than cleaning a juicer. I'll drop links to the shot glasses I use and the strainer bags in the description below. I've had these shot glasses for years. After you evenly distribute all of your juice, put them in the fridge or freezer and they should look like this. Is it delicious? Do I have any desire to throw it on ice and sip it in the pool on a hot summer day?
No!
Does it taste better than alcohol?
Yes!
Are there health benefits with the ingredients being used in this specific recipe?
Yes!
Is there a placebo effect with taking a shot like this? Probably, but that could still be beneficial too. Couple tips for them. Number 1, if you can't find fresh ingredients, I'll put the dried metric versions on the website. Number 2, I keep 3 to 4 days worth in the fridge and freeze the rest. And number 3, if it's too strong, water it down a bit more. The winner of our last testing or guesstimating was bang! Congrats to you. For this week's testing or guesstimating, we're gonna go with this much ginger. Guess how much you think it weighs in grams in the comments below. The first one closest to it will win either a shirt or shaker. 1 guess per person. With that said, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you like this one. Subscribe if you haven't already, so you never miss a recipe. Don't forget to check out theproteinchef.co for all your healthy recipe needs. And of course, stay healthy. Cheers.